Thought I'd do a quick review of this. Showed it in my EDC video. Thought I'd show you guys a more in-depth review of it. It's my Gerber multi-tool. The model is the MP400, the smaller one with the needle nose pliers. It's the sheath that comes in, nylon sheath. Knife goes in there. Belt loop, vertical carry only. Here it is. Got the pliers, needle nose pliers, with the wire cutters in there. Right there it says Gerber USA. How does it say there? Oh, this way. This is stainless on both sides, and then it has the little arrow there, which is for the locks. Talk about some of the parts in here. Start with the knife. I have used this one. It's probably not very sharp anymore. And there's the lock. You pull that down. That'll close. Other stuff in here. Phillips head screwdriver. Medium-sized flathead with a bottle opener. Which the bottle opener actually does work, unlike some I've used in some multi-tools. Can opener. The small flathead. You can probably use that to pry as well if you wanted. And there's the large flathead. You got the scissors here. I'll do a quick cut test just to show you. A piece of yellow paper here. Show you how the scissors work. They're actually quite nice. There you go, that's the scissors. And you just put them like that and close that in there. Now I'll do a quick cut test with the knife. This probably isn't going to cut very well, but I'll try anyway. Yeah, the plain edge part is really dull. Try the serrations. Yeah, they don't cut very well either. Like I said, this is heavily used, so probably not going to be the sharpest thing. So there you go. That's my Gerber multi-tool that I have with me all the time. Little update for you guys. I should be putting a new EDC video up in the next couple of days because I've switched some stuff around. So be on the lookout for that.